Iron Core Industries, a leader in advanced forging, powers global infrastructure from this vast American complex.
Welcome to Iron Core Industries. Inside, we produce thousands of train wheels every month, each engineered for extreme flies and high-speed rail service. Welcome to Iron Core Industries. Let's go inside and see how we make our wheels. This diagram shows our process, from raw steel billets to the forge, heat treat, and final assembly. Every step meets our high standards for rail and transit. Welcome to Iron Core. This is our orientation area. Now, through these doors is our raw material zone. Here, we receive and inspect all incoming steel. We use a Brinell tester to check hardness, Welcome to Iron Core's induction heating department. These furnaces use electromagnetic coils to heat billets. Billets heat from the inside out, reaching processes fully automated, controlled by our MES system. Tool offset adjusted, initiating run. Cycle complete, changing insert. Data log confirms 98% uptime. Profile measurement complete. Deviation is wheel approved. Next. Reviewing the pre-test data on the tablet. Mounting the wheel onto the spindle now. Initiating the test sequence. The display shows the imbalance is within tolerance. Imbalance detected. Starting correction grind. Grinding the heavy spot now. Retesting. Imbalance is now within tolerance. Marking the light spot for assembly. Ready to load the wheel for the ultrasonic scan.
Confirmed. The tank is at optimal level.
Initiating the full volumetric scan now.
The console is live. Beams are penetrating.
Initiating scan sequence. Door interlocks confirmed. Exposure complete. Image processing. Analysis shows no defects. Saving report. Examining the wheel cross-section. Hub, web, and rim zones are clearly defined and show no indications of voids or inspection standard. Approving and recording the result. This wheel pass inspection, serial W veriphonic. Now, matching what 4 to 5 verified. The schedule shows it's next in the queue. Let's get it to the press. Starting bore measurement, taking 4 positions, 2 orientations. Bore complete, now measuring the axle journal. Interference is millimeters, within spec, cleaning and oiling. Auditing aisle 5. WMS shows all wheel sets accounted for. Planning shipment batch. Moving these wheel sets to staging area 3. Next batch. Customer order for 40 wheel sets. Confirming transport. Wrapping this wheel set for moisture protection. Serial number visible. Documentation complete. Stamping for release. Securing with ratchet straps now. Good. Ready for loading. Operator, position over the primary bay. Ready to hoist. Copy. Verifying serial number against manifest. Set is secure on the cradle. Ready for the next one. Confirmed. Proceed with documentation. Cargo secured. Clear on the left. Truck is rolling out. Safe travel for charter facility.
As life begins, with these components soon to carry passengers nationwide.
Scanning wheel set serial number now. Certificate and history retrieved. No transport damage. Thanks. Safe travels. Wheel set is here. Let's confirm the work order. Right. Bogey ID is 45678, and that serial wheel set is XVern. Confirmed. Procedure steps are clear. Good. Let's install. Approaching the bogey frame now. Copy that, aligning the right journal. Journal seated, ready for covers. Run out check, within spec. Connecting sensors, running wheel speed and ABS tests. Traction system confirms wheel size parameters, ready for track test. Low speed run commencing. Monitoring for vibrations, all clear.